Good morning, everyone. Today I wanted to share my experience of fixing and flipping this ASUS ROG laptop. Picked this laptop up on Facebook for about for exactly $260. It was listed for $350. But the problem with this laptop was that it has a bad battery. When I went in to talk to the seller, they said that they unplugged the battery and just left it unplugged. So they did take it apart. So that's not a good part about it. We'll see if they lost any screws or anything like that. So as far as the model, I'll show you on this other side. It's a G751j right there. So it has they added 16 gigs of RAM to here. You can definitely tell they've been inside here because that's not even put together correctly. We'll see what we can do. So it has 16 gigs of RAM. It's i7 with 980 mobile 980. It's about $450, $500 laptop if everything is working good. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it apart first. It does turn on, it does work. I checked it before paying. I'm gonna take it apart, take a look at the battery, see if we can bring the battery back to life, and I'll show you how I'll do that. And if I will be able to bring the battery back to life, it's perfect. If not, so I'm gonna order one off the eBay. That's about $40 I saw them for, that they go. So anyways, let's get started. Let's tear this apart and see if we can get this battery back to life. Alrighty guys, no matter what I did, I could not get this battery to work, so I ordered a new one from eBay. It was $27. Well, that's not new, it was used, but it's tested working. This, I'm gonna save these cells for maybe some of the future projects that I will do. What happened, like, even though we revived the batteries, the voltage was good, is this BMS would not reset itself. Like, it just had no output, and I tried to short these two pins out just to see maybe that's what reset it, and it didn't. And then I jumped it from the red wire to the positive, and it just fried the whole board. So don't do that. But yeah, that didn't work. This battery pack is junk now. I'm just gonna save the cells for future projects. Like I said, I'm gonna throw this together for now. I'm not gonna show it on camera, and whenever battery comes in next week, I'll bring you guys back, and then we'll get this installed, get this whole computer cleaned up, and list it for sale, see how much money we can make. I'll see you in a little while. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. The battery got delivered this morning. I guess I went and picked it up from the post office. This is a used battery. It's $28, and Sour said it's tested working. So what we're gonna do? I got already laptop tore apart. I'm gonna put the battery back in there and power it on and see where we're at. See if it works or not, and we'll go from there. Let's get started. I just got it back together. I was gonna show you that battery's working. It's charging right now, 79%, which is perfect. If I unplug this, this went up to 80. But anyways, when I unplug this, it still works. So that's a success. So now it's time to take some pictures and get it up for sale. Alrighty, guys, we got it sold. We got $525 for it plus $19 shipping. Shipping costs covered the shipping cost and the shipping supply, so we're just gonna disregard that. We'll use a 525 number. But that's not what we made, because we got the original price of laptop of $260. We had to pay $54.40 in eBay fees, $16.08 in PayPal fees, $27.99 for the replacement battery we have to buy, and gave us a grand total profit of $166.53. Alright, took me a little bit to get it sold because we took about 3 weeks off for vacation. I wasn't home. I was just traveling a little bit around, seeing family. So that's why it took a little bit after I posted it. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and the Craigslist. It sold on eBay about a week and a half later. Took a little while, but it did sell. This is what we ended up with. So let me know if you guys liked it or not. And subscribe. I'll definitely have more videos coming. Later.